A new study by PwC shows that 40% of jobs in the United States might be replaced by robots in 15 years. The other developed economies do not face this risk since they have fewer jobs that can be replaced. In the United Kingdom, only an estimated 30% of their jobs face the threat of technical improvement in automation from robotics and artificial intelligence. For Germany, it is 31%, while the estimated percentage for Japan is 21%. The reason why so many jobs in the US are threatened by automation is that a majority of the employees in the US work in positions where the tasks are routinized, like filling out paperwork. The industries that face the highest risk of the technological revolution are those related to retail, manufacturing, and transportation. How did PwC come up with these estimates? They broke down all the types of tasks of jobs in various industries. The researchers then used an algorithm that put into consideration the automatability of all those tasks and the attributes of the employees hired to do them. A good example of how jobs in the US are prone to replacement by automation than those in the UK, as per the research, is in the financial field. Despite the fact that these two countries both have identically service-dominated economies, jobs in the financial service sector in the US are a little bit more routinized and retail-oriented. Financial services jobs in the UK, on the other hand, are occupied mainly by professionals who work in international banking. Their jobs are very difficult to automate, and they require higher educational levels. A bigger portion of Germany's workforce is employed in the manufacturing sector compared to the UK's, which are exactly the kind of jobs that robots will be created to do in the future. This explains why it has a bigger percentage of jobs that faces the threat of replacement by automation. Compared to UK, US, Germany, and Japan has the lowest percentage of jobs that face the risk of automation. Partly, this low percentage is due to the fact that the jobs that are highly replaceable by robots are not so many in Japan. Take retail, for instance, it requires skills and far much more training in Japan. The workers have more organizing and management tasks compared to the same jobs in other economies that were studied. Also, Japan already has widespread automation. The researchers recommend several policy interventions that may be used to address job losses that might accompany automation. One of those policies is workforce retraining programs or the much-discussed Universal Basic Income Scheme. Please subscribe to Financier Pro YouTube channel and podcast.